Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday. Tuesday is free for everyone in Crypto Traders Arena. So we have this live stream. Then we have day trading with Stefan. And in New York session, we let in all the Discord members. Morning, Catalin. Morning, Pip. Morning, Sebastian. Morning, Timmy. Hey, Adela. Hey, Easy. Good morning, Gova. Let's start with Bitcoin on CME chart. Let's go from there. Okay. Well, we bounced. We closed this gap. This you can call a close gap. We dumped more. We touched this gap. And we bounced. We bounced nicely. Nothing to complain about. But like I suggested days ago, I'm hunting this kind of behavior. W on daily. Yeah? To form that W, we need a range. We need to pump and dump and pump and dump to form that daily W. Yeah? We are in that process. So far, so good. Nothing to complain. So, we are in that process to form the daily W. Nothing special on indicators. Yeah, OBV is weak. We saw that. If I'll go on 4-hour chart, you'll see something else. There you go. On 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart and lower, we have this gap. And we are attempting to close that gap. That gap, it's in confluence with Mountain Man, with long reload zone, so be careful there. I don't suggest you to be bearish here. It's all I'm trying to say. We are filling the gap. We are getting in a long reload zone. Yeah, let's do something like this. There you go. So a bit lower, closing this gap a bit lower. It's a long reload zone. And I think it's better to stop thinking short. Time to short was here in the top. Anyway, let's go back on daily. So that's the CME chart trying to form the W. If the W will come the other side of the trend line, that means in November we'll have that W, something like this. I don't know. I'm just thinking that we will form a double here. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows. Bitcoin on the other templates. You can see the big range. You can see the level we accepted a bit below. We closed below. So on daily here, people, we have a range, but also we can have a downtrend. Why? High, low, lower high, lower low. We have support at 100k. We have support above 100k. So yeah, I'm thinking range and I'm thinking bounce back. But in the same time, the structure in the market is kind of bearish in my perspective. EM top and starting lower highs and lower lows. If we'll create a lower low here, and especially if we'll accept below 100k, well, I don't know about that. Let's take it level by level, okay? So let's see if we'll form W's here. Ethereum on daily. Well, let's hide the ink. I see a range here, a big range. This is the top of the range, or this one. This is the bottom of the range. Ethereum is looking a bit stronger than Bitcoin lately. Yeah, Stefan said that, well, put a smile on this one because we have an EM. Yes, we have an EM, but also we have a strong support here. Okay, we have that initial EM, big weekly EM, but also we have support here. Strong one. So if I'll see W's, I'll be more than happy to think long again. For the moment, I'm thinking EM and I'm thinking support and I'm thinking let's wait until we'll get a double. If the market will dump, well, we know where we can dump. Okay, we can take this high and then this low, and long and behold, this is the area. 2,500 is the long reload zone. Will it reach that level? I don't know. For the moment, we're holding this support here. Okay? So for the moment, let's think support. Let's wait. Maybe we'll get some W's on daily. Actually, what we have here, I have too many drawings here, but you can see it's a symmetrical triangle. So probably will be a fake out first. If it will be a fake out to the downside, usually the market will reclaim that and will push on the other side. Ugly pattern to trade, especially on daily. But people, if you go on lower time frame, it's really nice and clean. We'll go on lower time frame and I'll show you why I have a lot of drawings on spot here. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Same place like yesterday, 2 days ago, 5 days ago. Nothing we can do here. Bitcoin dominance. Still waiting for that daily. We didn't accept above 60%. I'm still thinking we can push a bit higher and then to M out. The key point is this level. If we accept and close below this level, that will create ugly M, but it's still an M. So let's watch that level. Yes, well, this was a nice range to play. If you know how to play the range game. On lower time frame, this was gold. This was something nice to trade. But if you become bullish here and bearish here, you lost a lot of money. We are back at the trend line. We are back at that level. They said that the government will open again. Could accept above that level? I don't know. I think we can SFU this high, that's for sure. I don't think they'll let the liquidity there. No. They'll SFU at least that level. Could do a big week and then a reclaim back below and be something ugly? Yes, also is possible. But I think this SFU is not safe here. Okay, gold. Gold is still strong. In my humble opinion, we should not touch gold on the long side. I saw a lot of images on Twitter that people are waiting in line to buy gold. That's a top sign, people. That's not a sign that you should go and buy some gold or to long gold here. Will take some time. Maybe will take weeks. Maybe will take days. Maybe will take more. I don't know how much, but this is a top sign for me. If I wasn't sure what will happen here, I'm not sure what will happen here, but my bet goes stay the fuck out, don't touch it, because usually when you see news that, well, everyone is buying gold, that's the top. Okay? Do whatever you want. Silver a bit weaker than gold for the moment. I still think silver could do great things. Total market cap, well, we are fighting 4 trillion here and 1 trillion here on total 3. Nothing changed. Look at it. We dumped, we bounced, we are going back to retest some lower levels, but we are fighting 1 trillion here. Key points, you know them already. 1.2 on total 3 and accept and close back above 4 trillion, specifically here 4.3 kind of idea. Accept above this high and we can push higher. Even if we'll accept above this high, it'll be good enough for me. For the moment, you can see up and down, up and down. Okay, now let's go on lower time frame. Let's do some let's search some trades. And we have this template. Let me make it a bit bigger. We shorted here. We also shorted here, AB equals CD. We longed here with shark level. Who didn't manage to take the shark? I said, well, look at the double in the long reload zone. Also a nice level to trade. Okay, you took that. Anyway, if you took shark, you made a 2 to 1. If you took the W here, almost you made, I think you did a 2 to 1. And then we reached short reload zone here. Sunday I told you not to short. Yeah? I said, don't short. Let's wait to see what will happen. Let's wait for the short reload zone. Yesterday I told you don't long. We are close to the short reload zone. Let's wait and see what will happen. In the London session, I said, well, I want to short here. I attempted first time. Guess what? Stop loss hit. Then I managed to keep the trade on Ethereum, didn't the SFU. And at the end of the day, I said, well, look at the YAM. Okay, the location is not the best, but break down and retest here. I think this is a good level for me to take the short. And I took this short. I'm still waiting with a SFU here. Not necessarily this kind of play, but I'm waiting for this level for an SFU short. Now, if you see, I draw another long reload zone. We have the big one. You can see this one is a long reload zone here. Swing low, swing high. And we have the long reload zone. And also here, we have swing low, swing high, another long reload zone. I'm waiting at the confluence here. Okay? If the market will dump here, and I'll see a W on lower time frame, I'll be more than ready to hunt a long idea. For the moment, I don't have a setup, a long setup or a short setup. I still have a little bit of this one. And I'm just waiting. If the market will accept here, then I'll hunt W's. Now, if I'll go on a spot market and I'll put the Bitcoin chart on 1 hour, there you go. I said that I'll play the combo. That means Mountain Man and Shark setup. 0.5 and 1% here. So without thinking too much, seeing this double long reload zone is telling me that it's okay to play the combo Mountain Man and Shark setup. Max damage that this combo could do, it's 0.5 here and 1% here. So if we'll go straight down and we'll SFU this low, then okay, I'll lose 1.5. But keep in mind that I have some shorts from the top, from here. I don't think it will do a big damage to me. You get the idea? So I'm short from the top and I'm attempting to long. Okay, like I said here, I want a W here at 106.5.6, but also I have the limit orders already set here with 1.5. So I have 1.5 risk in these limit orders and I'll play the double if it will be the case. Here in the long reload zone is not the time to be bearish, people. You'll see a lot of people saying, well, it's going down. We accepted back below 108. Well, disaster. And the market is just playing the range game. Even good traders, I say, well, market is above 110. Let's long. It's going straight to 120. Really? I shorted the fuck out of this here. And now, well, the market accepted back below 110, 108. No, it's bearish. We'll go down. Why the fuck you see trends everywhere? Wherein it's just a nice range to play and make some money. You want to be right? Okay, be right. I want to make money. And I know I have the statistical probability to play the range and be profitable. Market is in a range 70 to 80% of the time. Guess what? I'm playing the range. Do whatever you want. Is this time possible to be different and go straight down? Okay, I'll take the loss. But I made a lot of money here. I could afford a loss. And I'm still short. So here I'll lose money, but this one will cover for some losses. At the end of the week, when I'm drawing the line and I'm seeing what I did, well, I'm profitable. I made money. That's the conclusion we should draw. Not if I was right 3 times in a day or I was wrong 5 times in a day. No. At the end of the week, you draw the line as a day trader and say you made money or you lost money. And next week, the same. You are as good as your results at the end of the week as day trader. It's that simple. Anyway, I talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum. Well, this one was even nicer here. You can see this one. And yesterday in the daily crypto, no daily crypto plan, in the London session with VIP, a stupid trader like me decided to play a short here, like I said earlier. And if I put the 5-minute chart, you'll see it. There you go. Yeah, breakdown, retest. What you can hope more for in a short reload zone to get an EM, a breakdown, and a retest. You see this and you don't take it. Well, you are a day trader, you are a scalper. I don't think you are. Anyway, I took this one. On the way down, I booked some profit. This at the end was a 10 to 1, 10R, but because I took the profit, I closed partially. I managed to book a, I don't know, approximately a 2% profit. Why? I didn't took this trade with 5% to expose myself. No, I took it with 0.5. And I'm more than happy to book 2% and wait for the next opportunity. It's that simple, people. One second, something is down here. Let's activate. On the laptop, I'm trading. The wireless is gone and I need to activate it again. There you go. That's better. Okay, so what is next for Ethereum? Because, well, okay, Paul, you made money, so what? What is next? Bragging about what you made is not helping us, indeed. Well, you can see here on spot I have the Monday high and Monday low. Why I keep them on spot? Well, I think it's more valid, the Monday high, Monday low on the spot market. We have a bit of support here, but SFU of this level could be a nice play. So pay attention on this SFU here. Or in the long reload zone if you see a W. Also, if you see here, it's a potential. Keep in mind, people, I'm saying potential, not trend line, potential trend line. It's a big difference. So you take this one and take this one. And you can see we are reaching some to touch that trend line. In the same time, if you see, this is a big symmetrical triangle. So expect the unexpected on Ethereum. That's why I didn't close the entire trade. I still have a little bit. Why? I could expect, because we have that symmetrical triangle. Stefan, please tell me what could happen. Stefan is calling it a helicopter. You can see a big dark mole candle up and down. Maybe you'll have some news, maybe something else, I don't know. But usually when the symmetrical triangle is reaching the end, you'll get a big volatility. Maybe this time is different. And hopefully, if I still have a little bit of this trade, I made nice money. If we'll dump first, well, let's say touch this level, I'll make some money. But classically, we should wait for W's here in the long reload zone, and we should play the long side. We completed the AB equals CD. Now you can see here, this was a nice AB equals CD. People, you'll see that Ethereum loves to play AB equals CD. You can see AB, CD. If you look on Ethereum, you'll see AB equals CD everywhere. AB, CD. I could show you another one. Another AB equals CD. Let's delete this one. For example, on Ethereum, you can see something like this. AB. If I take this one, CD on the dot. Well, something is up here. Maybe we have something. Maybe we should play AB equals CD on fucking Ethereum. Well, let me show you another one, even nicer. Look at it. I know looking back is easy, but maybe you'll understand something. This is an AB. This is a CD. You can see, well, this one didn't do quite right. But if you take this one, AB, CD, on the fucking dot. So maybe Ethereum loves to play in this kind of behavior, AB equals CD, equal moves, with a small retracement. Now we reach completed the AB equals CD here. But also we can think AB equals D to the upside, the big one. Let's wait. If we'll see W is a bit lower, we can think about something. For the moment, I'm waiting lower. SFU or lower for a long reload zone. Okay, now let's go back on this template. Let's switch to 4-hour chart. We have 9 minutes left. Let's manage to get in these 9 minutes to scan the new altcoins. Okay, so you can see, simple. Long reload zone, short reload zone, long reload zone again. Well, nothing special here, but if you zoom in, you'll see a stupid trader yesterday said, well, we have location. Look at this nice W here, making the neckline here. Take it at the neckline, take it at the retest if you want, it's up to you. And you had the breakout, and you had the retest, and the market is pumping, and I'm risk-free. That's all I could say. Well, the target overall for this one, that's a 24-hour. I don't know if we'll reach that level. But I'm already risk-free. I don't fucking care. I close 50% of the position. And I don't care. If we'll come back down to take my stop loss here, equal lows, okay, take it. I'll hunt the next one. No damage done. But if we'll pump, and we'll pump, and we'll pump, and hopefully we'll be patient. Not straight up, you know, up and down, but we'll reach 61.8. That's a 24-hour. Thinking that I closed half of the trade, I took it with 1%, I closed half of the trade at 1 hour. That means I'll make 12% if we'll reach this area. 12% from your trading account in one fucking trade. One swing trade. Will be good enough for you? I think, yeah. Anyway, I'm risk-free on this trade. Next one. This one is underwater. Nothing I can do. If we'll hit the stop loss, so be it. I'll wait for the next double. This one is reaching in the long reload zone. I need clear W's here. I'm not fucking around. It's ugly. And probably will take some time. Yeah? It's about CZ. It's a meme coin, the best one. Well, we have a M top here. Probably will take some time, you can see. The other side of the trend line we can discuss. Maybe we'll dump more, maybe we'll SFU the low in meantime. Probable. So nothing to do here. If you want to play a W here, you see a clear setup. So, okay, let's say we have location. Then we have indicator confirmation, which you don't have for the moment. The OBV is strong. Damn strong here. But we don't have. So, location, then indicator confirmation, and then price structure. A W could be something. Probably here, close to 78.6. Next one. Some W's here. Remember yesterday we discussed W, breakout, retest. If you took this one, okay. Nothing on this one. Ugly. Aster. We had a W, was pumping, was a fake out, and it's coming back down to retest $1. Because $1 is a big fat round number and everyone is trying to get that level. We can stay at $1. We can even accept below $1 for some time. I bought on spot and I'm waiting for clear W's. I don't want this big W. I want smaller. That will give me a big risk to reward. So for the moment, I'm watching this one. Nice location, but I need W's. Avant, we had some W's here. Actually, no W. This one was a small one, but nothing special. I remember yesterday I said about it. W retest here. Will hold depending on what Bitcoin will do. If Bitcoin will hold this level and will make a small W or will just stay flat, this one will pump. If not, we'll retest the week low. Like I said yesterday, a lot of W's on 4-hour chart, but you have to be careful on total risk. Bless. Well, that's a trade. And yeah, it was a setup, Harry, if you're here or if you'll watch it. And made nice money. Doesn't get better than that. Took the top, Close the trade back below 88.6. Come on, that was a nice trade. Bitcoin we talked about. This one we managed to get a nice short from the top. Ugly pump and dump, people. Ugly pump and dump. This is the first W here. You'll trust this one? No, don't trust the first W after a pump and dump. Believe me, it's not a good idea. You need to consolidate more and then to pump. This one, nothing. Let's see what we have here. Well, low, high, long reload zone here. This is Ethereum, nothing I can do. W breakout and retest. It's a big W, I get it, but maybe you go on CoinMarketCap or you go and do some fundamentals. You find out that this is a nice coin and it could pump like crazy. Well, you have the setup here. W, breakout and retest. Maybe you consider it's too big for you. You don't want to trade it. Don't do it. Doesn't matter how big is the W. The risk is the same, people. Okay? The risk is the same. From the entry to the stop loss, you should lose 1% if you are a swing trader. Nothing more than that. If it's a smaller W, that means when it pumps, could pump a lot more if you compare it with the small W, and the risk reward is better. But the risk per trade is the same. Pumping, kind of a AB equals CD trying to form. I don't know what this one does, but looks strong and is a bit too late even for AB equals CD. Yeah. AB. Well, you can see the W was formed here below 33%, but it's too late. So, no. This one. AB equals CD. We talked about this one. You should be risk-free here, people. We reached 2-1 here. Come on. Don't lose money on a trade like this. No. Nope. In the long reload zone, if will be the case. Some small double is here, but dangerous is going sideways and looks like, you can see, high, low, lower high, lower low. It's a range, but also we can dump like crazy here. This one is coming back home. Come to Papa. In the long reload zone. Probably 78.6 will be a good level to pay attention. Okay. Well, light is pushing higher. I know a trader. I just know a trader. Happens to know a trader that saw a W here. But now it's too late. Nothing you can do. You just adapt the fib and wait in the long reload zone when we'll come back. Notice that I said when we'll come back, not if we'll come back, because we'll come back at some point in time. Long reload zone here, nothing we can do. Weak, nothing. Nice location, but I think we'll consolidate more. Nope. If you took the breakout, you are in the trade. If you zoomed out on 1 hour, probably you are in the trade. It's risk-free already, people. Yeah. We have more than 1-to-1 there. You should be risk-free. The rest is up to you. I'm not here to micromanage your trades. If I'll give you an idea, you assume the idea, you took the trade, it's up to you. Totally up to you. I'm not micromanaging any trade. I'm not babysitting anyone. Yesterday, actually, I said I'll clean the server again with the people that they have a different tag. I know some people say, well, it's not fair. Well, maybe it's not, but we don't intend to be the biggest community. We intend to be the best one. So if you appreciate us, you'll put our tag. Okay, you don't want to put our tag because you are in other communities and you don't want to do that. Okay. Remove the tag then. But coming here with a tag from a different community and telling me, well, Paul, you are a great trader, a lucky trader, you made money, well, I took your trade. Doesn't work that way, people. Sorry. Well, Stefan, you are the best. Well, crypto traders, you know, when I'm looking at your tag, you have a tag from, I don't know, other communities. You think that's a good idea? You think I'll allow that? No. So last night, the last thing I did after I journaled, I put my thoughts in my journal, I removed everyone with a different tag. I let the last ones, the last 5 days. Why? Maybe those people don't know the value we are providing in Crypto Traders Arena and they need to convince themselves. Okay, I get it. But if you are more than 10 days old in Crypto Traders Arena and you have a different tag, you'll be removed. And then good luck coming back in. This trade, A, B, C, D, you can see underwater a little bit. If you didn't took this trade, don't take it now. Wait for another double, okay? Wait for another double here. If you see another double, maybe smaller, that will be your entry. Nothing here, nothing here. Similar opportunity here. Wait for the next W if you didn't took the trade. If you took the trade, you have to live with the results. Simple. This could be an LJ also. So it could be something nice. Stable. Waiting for a retest. Yeah? Waiting for a retest. This is not the best W because we have lower lows. Okay, we can dump. But I'll take my chance here. Look at the OBV. I'll take my chance here. Why not? This is also a bullish divergence here. If we'll come back down here. Anyway, next one. Nothing I can do here. Wait for a clear W there. Well, not everything is nice and shiny, people. Nice and take profit. Look at this. I know that this one will probably make a W and push higher, but when I'm trading on 4-hour chart, I usually 99% of the time, I have a hard stop loss. So, took my stop loss, okay, I'm out. I took the loss, I said thank you that you stopped my losses, okay, and I'll wait for the next one. Probably below this low, and I'll try again. But I'm not fucking around with the stop loss. No, I'll move it here because we'll probably, no. Never do that stupid thing. Take the loss, hunt the next setup if you want to take it. If you hunted 2 or max 3 times and you lost all of them, stop hunting. Remove this, remove the chart from your list and come back after 1 week. Because after 3 attempts, you'll try to revenge trade. At least that's my experience. Nothing here. This one is pumping. But you can see short, long reload zone. You want to play this one? No. Location, but nothing else. This one is at entry. If you took it, well, we didn't reach 1-to-1, so we still have full risk. If we'll come now, we'll come straight down here, we'll take the loss. If we'll push higher first, then we'll maybe be risk free. I'm still waiting for this one. Almost stop loss on this one, on this trade, but here I'm betting on dollar cost average. You go all the way down. This one, again, a trade that goes belly up in a couple of hours. Look at it. Nice W breakout. Well, was a breakout, but I took the trade and I took the stop loss. I took the stop loss here, people, not here. And I don't know how low this one could go. Could go from 39 cents to 3.9 cents. So why the fuck I should wait here? I'll get the fuck out and I'll wait for the next setup. Please, if you are a beginner, don't do this mistake of removing the stop loss or moving the stop loss against you like this, increasing the risk. Don't do it. No if, no but, no maybe, no because the market, it's a stupid mistake. I'm telling you this because I did it when I was a beginner and I lost a lot of money. Save your capital, take the loss and hunt the next one. I didn't learn from books, people. I learned from my own mistakes. And now I could call myself a lucky trader from time to time. No setup here. Nice location though. Well, I think we made more than enough money here. I don't know, Adela or Andrea took this trade with me here. I know someone took it. I was discussing this trade in, I don't know if London or New York session. But I think we made nice money. Come on. Now it's back in the long reload zone. Wait for 4-hour W's and we can try again. Small W's on 1 hour chart was the last time. Now let's wait for 4 hour. No. Catalin made also nice money. Well, I'm not saying, well, you should make 16R like here. No, but if you made a 5, 10R here and increased your portfolio, it's good enough. And this one, okay, this one is dumping like like no tomorrow. Wait for W's, people, to stop bleeding. This one is trying to pump, but not for me. River. This motherfucker is pumping. And nothing I can do. I'll wait. RVV is dumping like crazy. It's, I think, now 8 million market cap, 10 million, something like this. Everyone is saying, well, it's a Ponzi scheme, it's a pump and dump, and we'll do, well, maybe. If I'll see W's or power of 3 or something, I'll play it. I'm not marrying any shitcoin. I'm here to trade and make money. I put this one because Mr. Elon Musk talked about or posted on his 200 million account, and you can see the reaction. We pumped and we dumped back down. So don't chase. I said maybe you can take it to Holy Grail, and not even that. Well, this is the long reload zone, people. If you are bullish on this one, wait in the long reload zone, probably 78.6. It's a good level. So that could be a window of risk. Maybe he'll say something again about it. So you can see initial W, stop loss here. Take profit in the initial EM here. 3.7, 4R, not bad. But chasing here, stupid. Don't do it. Okay. Let's see if we have anything else. This is the shitcoin. I don't think we have the symbol. But is that one from Binance, that Chinese name, or I don't know. I don't even know what name it is. Something about life in Chinese. And you can see, we pumped and we are dumping. Well, classic. There you go. Nothing special. Doesn't matter the name, doesn't matter anything. If you come back down here, I'll make a W. Me, be more than happy to take some. Playing here? No. I'll let other traders buy the top, not me. Yeah, I got it on Binance. I saw it. I have it on favorite now on one of my futures accounts. But nothing I can do there. Maybe Holy Grail if we'll see something. Well, yeah. I said I'll do I'll select 3 people, 3 winners from and it's the end of the live stream and I don't want to do that. Well, let's let it until tomorrow. Okay, it's too late. Stefan has to live stream in 10 minutes. I don't have time to prepare anything. I'll put an alarm for tomorrow and hopefully we'll do it. Don't worry about it. I saw it and I'll do the draw. People will get their giveaway. Don't worry about it. Yeah. The problem is I don't have time now. You told me exactly at the end. So we'll do the giveaway. 3 people will get premium access because they have the Crypto Traders Arena tag. I said I'll do it in September. I totally forgot about that giveaway. When I saw it yesterday, I reposted that one on the chat and I said, we'll do the giveaway. It's not possible to forget about it. Okay, we forgot about it. We'll do it now. Yeah? So this week, probably tomorrow, we'll do the giveaway. 3 random people. I don't know how to select them from Discord, but I'll manually select them. If not, and I'll give them I'll give them the premium access. If I'll think about it, if it's possible, I could do it today in the New York session, because the live stream is open for public, and I could just go on Discord, open a browser version of Crypto Traders Arena, go through the list and see, well, first 100 members, this one has a tag, this is the winner, the next one and the next one. I don't know. I'll find a way to do it, because I don't know a different way to do it on Discord. Especially with the crypto tags, it's difficult to make something, I don't know, a draw or something. But I could do that. Well, actually, let's do it today because it's open for public. I'll just put it in my agenda and we'll do it in the New York session. What do you say? It's a good idea? Okay. That being said, people, let's come back down here at Bitcoin and Ethereum. There you go. Come on. Where is the ink? No ink here? Anyway. Let's wait to see what will happen here. If we'll get a double, we can play. Or shark setup, combo setup. Do whatever you want. You got my opinion about the market. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. Stefan, please tell us on how much time you'll do the live stream. Day trading with Stefan. So you can ask Stefan all the questions you want. I'll be in the chat. Okay, so let's close this one. Wait 10 minutes. Jump in the other one. That's about day trading. Here was a daily crypto plan. Lately we go on lower time frame, and I'm showing you more than swing trading, but Stefan is doing a live stream every Tuesday. Okay, let's call it a live stream. Bye bye.